Do you love koalas? I mean, who doesn't? They're fluffy, cuddly looking, and they spend all day, every day doing literally nothing. Okay, that last part may not be for everyone, but hey, we all have our quirks. Hi, it's me, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be answering the question, what is the sleepiest animal on Earth? And of course, if you love learning fun facts about animals, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Well, when it comes to sleepiness, there are many animals that could take the title of the sleepiest animal on Earth. But after tallying up all the hours these animals spend snoozing, there can only be one winner. That's right, the sleepiest animal on Earth is none other than the koala. That's me. On average, adult koalas sleep between 18 and 20 hours a day. That's right, a full 2/3 of their day is spent sleeping. That means if a koala would have lived to the ripe old age of, say, 13 years, they would have slept for a total of 38,112 hours, or 439 days. Just let that sink in for a second. Almost 5 years of a koala's life is spent sleeping. But why do koalas sleep so much? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Their diet consists almost entirely of eucalyptus leaves, which are very low in nutrients and make the koala's digestive system work overtime. As a result, koalas are constantly tired and therefore spend most of their days catching some Z's. In fact, scientists believe that koalas may actually be more active at night, but because they spend so much time sleeping, it's hard to tell. Now you may be thinking, there's no way a koala sleeps 20 hours a day. Now, that sounds crazy. But I'm telling you it's true. Now, and I have the data to prove it. In a study conducted by the University of Queensland, researchers found that koalas sleep between 18 and 20 hours a day, with most of that sleep occurring during the daytime. The researchers used a combination of observation and data from wearable sensors to track the sleep patterns of a group of koalas. They found that koalas typically sleep for around 18 to 20 hours per day, with most of that sleep occurring during the day. Now, this can vary depending on a number of factors, such as the time of year and the availability of food. But in general, koalas are very sleepy animals. Now, while 18 to 20 hours may seem like a lot of sleep, it's actually not unusual for mammals. For example, tree kangaroos sleep for around 16 hours a day, while pandas sleep for around 14 hours a day. However, koalas still take the crown as the sleepiest animals on Earth. And really, who's counting, right? Speaking of koalas, did you know that each koala has a unique nose print? Just like humans have unique fingerprints, koalas have unique nose prints. This is because the pattern of lines and ridges on a koala's nose is determined by the shape of their skull and the amount of cartilage in their nose. This is similar to how human fingerprints are formed by the pattern of lines and ridges on our palms, which are determined by the shape of our hands and the amount of fat in our palms. However, unlike fingerprints, which are used for identification purposes, koala nose prints have no practical use. They're just a quirky fact about these adorable creatures. Well, that's all the time we have for today's episode. So until next time, remember, koalas are not just cute and cuddly, they're also the sleepiest animals on Earth. Thanks for watching. See ya!